Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to open the new official Unity AI Beta Assistant in less than 1 minute. First, make sure you are using Unity Editor version 6.4 or above. If you're on an older version, the AI feature will not appear. Once your Unity project is open, look at the top panel and click the AI button. A pop-up window will appear, asking you to agree and install Unity AI. Just click Agree and continue with the installation. Now wait for the installation to finish. During this process, you might see some errors showing up in the console window. Don't worry about them for now. That's completely normal during the beta installation. After everything is done, go back and click the AI button again. This time, the Unity AI panel should appear successfully inside the editor. Now before you get too excited, I want to mention something important. Unity AI is not completely free. It currently offers a 14-day free trial, but after that you'll need to subscribe if you want to continue using it. To activate the trial, click Manage Account, sign in with your Unity Cloud account, and fill in your credit card information. Personally, I'll continue using the free Unity MCP Community project from GitHub instead. If you want to set that up, you can check out my tutorial linked in the description below. And that's it. Super quick and easy.